In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your referral code on Temu, which can be invaluable if you're looking to earn some rewards by sharing the platform with others. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Temu, this step-by-step guide will make sure you can easily locate and share your referral link. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Temu website. You can do this by typing in the URL or navigating through your search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a variety of categories ranging from clothing to jewelry and more, showcasing the vast array of products Temu offers. But to proceed, you'll need to move beyond just exploring these products and focus on the more rewarding aspect. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the section labeled Affiliate and Influencer Earn Commission. This area is where all the tools you need for sharing and earning through referrals are gathered. This section is designed for people who are looking to make money by promoting Temu products, making it a great place to generate some additional income. After clicking, you'll be directed to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find many useful resources at your disposal. However, our focus today is on the Invite Affiliate button. Clicking on this will enable you to invite friends or followers to sign up through your referral link. Once you have clicked the Invite Affiliate button, the next screen you see will have your unique referral link prominently displayed. This is your golden ticket to earning rewards. Simply copy this link. You might find it helpful to store this link somewhere easily accessible, perhaps in a document or notes app, so you can quickly share it whenever an opportunity arises. With your link ready, you're all set to start spreading the word about Temu. You can share this link through social media, emails, or in person to encourage people to join and shop through Temu, helping you earn commissions as they do. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've unlocked an easy way to earn rewards through Temu's referral program. It's a straightforward process, and once you have your link, the potential for earning is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.